If your videos look flat and boring, this video will change everything. I'm going to show you the simplest way to get a cinematic look in DaVinci Resolve, even if you ever just color graded before. Okay, so I'm going to show you the tips and tricks and how to do it. Okay, so this is my footage right now, and I'm going to show you everything how to start it. Okay, so first make sure this is your first node, and then make sure you just create another node again. So make it 3. Okay, make it 3 like this. So let's just hide the effects so that you can see it's clear. So this first one, this is how you're going to do it. Okay, you're going to hold here the curve and you just push it to this side. Okay, so when you get to the side, make sure you push this one to around the side. Okay, so when you're done with it, check it before and after. So when you're done with that, comes to the global and push the global to the side. Okay, but don't make it too much. Don't make it too much. And then you come to the lights and push it into the down here. Okay, so when you're done with every like something little, just check it before and after, and then you move to the second node, the 2. So when you move to the 2 here, okay, make sure you just click on the loots and go to black magic. I don't know what the color you're using, but you can try any of it. Then you click on it. Okay, double click. Okay, I've seen it. So we can just hide it before and after, before and after. So only thing we're going to do is we're going to reduce it. Okay, we're going to reduce some little things here. So make sure the lighting is going to supposed to be, thing is supposed to be around this side, because the contrast too much. So I just want to make sure he'll be bent a little down like this. So let's see the before and after. Before and after. So let me just play it and let's see. Okay, so as you can see, let me hide the first node and the second node. I was saying it. So let me just open the first node. So this is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, and we will come to the third node and I'll open the effects. So when it's open it, search there and just drag this one, okay, into the third node, and reduce the smooth. Here you can just make it not too much, because I just want the side to just cover it, and make this one around the center. Don't change it. I don't know how you're going to do it, but let's just be around here, and let's check it before and after. So when you're done with it, let's move to the second node, and I just want to work on some one or two things here. Okay, don't push it too much. Okay, don't push it too much, just a little. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it all the time. Create 1 node, 1 2 3 nodes, and make sure you're going to use the way I'm showing you right now. Use the technique I showed and just follow it, and it's going to guide you to this, come out with something different. So if you want something more about this, to grade more, to get something cinematic look and no struggle and stuff, just click here. Okay, click here. Okay, you're gonna find a lot of things about this one too. Okay, so guys, I'm awake. Subscribe to my page if you like it. Subscribe. See you for the next video. Bye.